So, Hamilton's first ever Caribbean Culture Camp is running next week. So each day, a different Caribbean cuisine will be served and so much more fun will be had. It's great to have my pal, Miss Tania Lou, back on the show with us in studio, demonstrating her famous Jamaican Johnny cake. So we'll get to that, and you're going to show me how to make them. Great to see you.
Yes,
you look wonderful.
Great to see you.
You look wonderful.
Thank you.
So this has to be exciting. The first ever.
First ever Caribbean Culture Camp put on by the Jamaica Foundation of Hamilton. I don't know if you know about us, but we raise cultural awareness about our Jamaican identity. We also are committed to raising funds for children charities in Hamilton, in Jamaica, anywhere that needs help. Okay. And also people of catastrophic disasters, we help. We are in the community a lot. So our VP, Jacqueline Barnett, she and I were talking one day. Hi, Jackie. She and I were talking about doing a Caribbean themed event. And voila, we have our first ever Caribbean Culture Camp.
We need you more excited about this, Tania. We need you more excited about this.
July 17th to 21st at 1955 Upper James Street at the corner of Upper James and 20 at the Hamilton Church of God in the front building.
And that's where you go, Jamaican Foundation at hamilton.org/camp to sign up, where each day you're going to be doing demonstrations like we are today. What is this right here, Tania?
Let me tell you. So on the Wednesday, when we have authors showcase, I'm going to be one of the authors. My book, One Pot. I am going to be demonstrating to the children and doing a taste test of our Jamaican Johnny cake fried dumpling. Yes!
I love it!
So, Tim, here, let me tell you, is a good cook, you know. He knead up the dough already, and so now we're cutting it into pieces.
Cutting it into eighths.
And and then put it in your hand, and then you're going knead. But you don't want to knead too much because you don't want it tough,
You don't want it breaking up.
Like a ball, like this. You see what I do it?
Yeah.
Like a ball.
So it's a ball.
Yes. Right, and you put it here, see?
Just
but you don't want to do it too much, just knead it into a ball, yes.
Okay, because then we have a pot here. We're not going to do it here in the studio, but you would put oil in the pot?
Yes, and medium high heat, and then when it is hot, then you're going to put it in, and of course...
So you put these in. So where are these eaten?
So these, we eat it with, we can eat it by itself. We can have it with ackee and salted fish. We can have it with guava jam. See, I brought some jam for you.
Guava jam.
Guava jam. We can have it with butter and cheese and with nice stewed chicken, butter. Yeah, man. So I leave today, you and the staff will have a lot of Johnny cake.
Oh, amazing. So so how long do they need to fry for?
So you fry until they're golden.
And you would flip them? Do you need to flip? You flip them over.
And then what I do is to cover it. When I cover it, keeps it moist and nice.
Nice. Like
I cover.
So
and
then you had these covered.
These
are the Johnny cakes right here.
You want to try?
So that's where you would put some of the delicious.
You want to try a piece now?
Yes. Is this open yet?
Yeah, we can't open it, man.
Let's open this. Oh, here, I'll put some cheese. I'll put some cheese in it because you have something to wash it down with too.
Yes, we'll wash it down with Miss Tania Lou lemonade. You see, kids, what you have in store? Children from 5 to 15 can come to this Caribbean themed event. On Monday we have Caribbean trivia with Chessan, Gregory and Tania Lou. We're going to have Caribbean trivia. We're going to make bracelets. We're going to Caribbean themed activities. And every day you're going to walk away with something. Yes. And then on Tuesday... Yeah.
What is it? That is amazing.
You love it? Yeah, man. It's my recipe in my book, and I'll leave you with a book, Tim.
Okay, so here we go. So it is the Jamaican Foundation, Hamilton.org. Head to that website, and you'll see /camp, and you can do the camp registration, which it starts next week, runs every week, and every day there you're going to be making a various...
It's every day for next week.
Next week.
And then Friday is the highlight, where you have the children decked out in their color-coded outfits, and they're going to show you how they do the maypole dance. I'm going to teach them the maypole.
Let's do a little maple dance to break. How we do it?
Yes,
Yeah,
come.
there we go.
Remember, Tim?
I thought I have a lot of
And
energy.
you hold the
Miss
ribbon,
Tania Lou.
and you're going to have cricket, lovely cricket.
Okay. There we go.
By Wilbert Plummer, yes man, and then we're going to have Groundation,
Okay,
the
I'm going back to my
drummer.
lemonade. We'll see you.